Was that what the doctor said it was? It's okay, Lana. You can talk to me. You're like my daughter. I won't judge you.
It was a complication from an abortion.
Abortion? You don't want kids?
I do.
So, why the abortion? Because you're married.
My husband says he's not ready and he keeps making me take them up.
Damn. This is not the first time you're aborting.